Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will request you to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, today I am introducing you a new earning website, IKEA.mall.vip. Here you can make more and more profit with minimum deposit. Link of the website you can find in description of the video, and I will tell you how to register in this website. Enter your email address here, then enter your login password, then you write your security password, then write invitation code which you can find in description of the video, and then you will click here to sign up and you will be registered in this website. I have already been registered in this website, so I will meet you after my login. So friends, I have logged in the website. Here you can see promotion link of the website, and 10 USDT, 40 USDT will be given by the company, and you have to deposit only 10 USDT. And keep remember that the amount will be recharged through USDT. Any other currency you cannot deposit. You can also get three kind of rebates. For first level you can get 15% team recharge, 2% of second team recharge, and 1% for third level team recharge. To unlock VIP 1 you have to deposit 10 USDT, daily claim is 2.5 USDT. In VIP 2 you will deposit 60 USDT, daily income is 16 USDT. In VIP 3 you will invest 160 USDT, daily income is 45 USDT. In VIP 4 you will invest 10 USDT, daily income is 124. In VIP 6 you will deposit 2500 USDT and daily income is 1800 USDT. In VIP 7 you will invest 6000 USDT, you will get 2400. In VIP 8 you will invest 10,000 USDT, daily income is 4800. And in VIP 9 you will deposit 20,000 USDT and daily income is 14,000. And within 1 day you can withdraw your principal amount. You can also get the top up 24th recharge. If your team will recharge 1000 you can get VIP 2. If they will recharge 3000 you can get VIP 4 and 200 USDT. If they will deposit 5000 you can get VIP 5 and 600 USDT. If they will deposit 10,000 you will get VIP 6 and 1500 USDT, and bonus can be withdrawn at any time. So here you can see deposit, withdrawal, share, team. This is your link, invitation code, and team size you can check here. This is the main portion of your income. Share your link through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you think that you can manage a good team. You can share your link on all social medias, and you can get also rebates of teams, team 1, team 2 and team 3. So here you can also check the team. This is referral code, and these are the team benefits you have to get in this website. Here are the VIPs, I have already told you about that. And here is the mine. You can see that 40 USDT has been given by the company, and you have to deposit only 10 USDT. Here you can check your account. You can also change your login and security passwords. Here at home you can see, if you want to download the app you can click here, and here you can see the business hall of the website, and here you can see the notification of people receiving from all over the world from this website. So I will tell you about the deposit, how you can deposit in this website. You can deposit through QR code, or you can copy the address. I will copy the address from here, then I will go to my wallet. At wallet you will come at send USD TRC20 page, then you will paste the address which you have copied from the website, then you will enter the amount. I have to deposit 10 USDT, so I will click at 10, then I will click at continue and confirm payment from my wallet. After confirming payment from wallet, I will again come at website and will click at recharge completed, and my account will be recharged. So friends, you can see that after I recharge my account, VIP 1 has been opened for me. So I will go to VIP 1 and I will complete my grabbing orders. Here you can see I will complete 2 grabbing orders. I have to complete. If you will not complete, you cannot get anything from the website. So keep remember that you have to complete your tasks on every day. If you will not complete, you cannot get anything from website. So I have completed, and now we can check how much I have withdrawn from this website, how much I have earned. 2.5 USDT I have earned, so I will write 2.5 USDT. After that I will go to my wallet. At wallet I will come at receive USDT TRC20 address, then I will copy the address from here and I will go to website. At website I will paste the address of wallet here, and after that I will post my transaction password and I will confirm it. It will be succeeded. After a few time it has been succeeded. So now we will go to wallet. So friends, you can see that 2.5 USDT has been added into my wallet. You can check also the timing of wallet and amount. You can see 2.5 USDT has been added into my wallet. and my total balance is also has been upgraded. So friends, you saw that within 5 to 7 minutes I have earned 2.5 USDT from this website. You can also get this money and more than this. You have to join IKEAmall.com, join my team, be a part of my team, share your link and referral code through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and you can get a strong team. As much your team will be strong, you can get more and more benefits. So I hope that you will like my video, and I also hope that you will be the part of my team and will be the part of IKEAmall.com. So thank you so much to watch my video. We will meet in next earning video. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy.